In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a position on LinkedIn. Starting with the basics, LinkedIn is a professional network that allows you to showcase your career path, build connections, and explore opportunities. One of the most essential parts of your LinkedIn profile is your experience section, where you can list your current and past positions. Adding a new position can help keep your profile up to date and make you more discoverable to potential employers and connections. So let's jump into how you can do this in just a few simple steps. First things first, head over to the LinkedIn website. If you're not already logged in, you'll see options to sign in with Google or continue with your existing LinkedIn account. Choose the method that works best for you. Once you're logged in, look for your profile photo at the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to your personal LinkedIn dashboard. Click on your profile photo and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select View Profile. This will take you to your LinkedIn profile where you can see all the information you've already added, including your summary, experience, education, and more. Now scroll down to the experience section. It's here that you'll find a plus icon, usually located right next to where it says experience. Clicking on this icon is your first step towards adding a new position to your profile. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see an option to add position. Go ahead and click on this to start entering the details of your new role. You'll be prompted to fill in several fields, including the title of your position, the company name, location, and the dates during which you held this position. You might also want to add a few bullet points to describe your responsibilities and achievements in the role. This is your chance to really showcase what you've done and what skills you've utilized or developed. After you've filled in all the relevant information, double check to make sure it's accurate and reflects your role in the best possible light. Typos or incorrect dates can be misleading, so it's worth taking an extra moment to review. Once you're happy with how everything looks, find the Save button. It's usually located at the bottom or top right of the form. Clicking Save will officially add the position to your LinkedIn profile. And just like that, you've updated your LinkedIn profile with your latest position. It's always a great idea to keep your LinkedIn profile up to date, as it reflects your professional journey to your network and potential employers. Adding new positions not only highlights your career progression, but also enhances your visibility on this professional platform. Remember, your LinkedIn profile is like your online resume and personal brand all rolled into one, so make the most of it. Keep it fresh, detailed, and reflective of your professional experiences and aspirations. That's all for today's walkthrough on adding a position to your LinkedIn profile. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to navigate your professional journey online.